All right. Happy New Year's, gang. All right, let's do this. So we got another short week, right? So before I start talking, right, let me see how this calendar is looking for this team. Okay. So tomorrow we got PMI, okay, 9:45. Construction spending, Richmond Fed, job openings, manufacturing. All right, so damn. So yeah, a lot of data I could say. Every day basically. Yeah. So we should see some normal price action just because we're not waiting on any data. Basically, like it's not skipping it's basically my opinion. Since we're getting a data every day, I think they're gonna give us regular price action. Just because if we only got data like once or maybe two times this week, they might chop us until that data comes out. But given that they're gonna throw out data every day for this short ass week, we should get some normal price. Hopefully not choppiness like as much as we got last week, because only real good price we had last week was the Bear Day, and maybe because this didn't really move that much. This day was actually stronger because the range, what we did, 476 to 474. So a little $2 range. So that's still not the ATR spot. You know, we do 5 to 6. So the Bulls got a good day on what's this? This probably was Tuesday, Wednesday. No, yeah, this was Tuesday, I believe. And then the Bears did try to come in Friday. It did sink the boat. I'm not gonna lie. It was looking ugly. We did say it in the chat, Evening Star. It did kind of play out, but then the character of the candle started changing towards the end of the day because the Bulls came in and they bought it off the what is this? A 473 zone. They loved it. They love this 473 zone over here, which is good. It's given. This is resistance. You know, we traders, we look at resistance turn support. So that's what I saw right now. Resistance turning support with this wick. So wick is good. They held it. So now this VP line is a great guideline to follow for tomorrow if you guys want to. So this VP line, what is 475? So, you know, tomorrow going into the market, we could honestly watch that 475 level high to see if it's gonna either crack it or go below. If it goes below, I think it does come down at least to, 474, maybe 473. What's this? 0.5. I'm saying like the lower this wick. So I'm gonna put an alert. Most likely, yeah, I'll put an alert around here because I feel like 475 is a good level to watch. It was a tough level for Spy to lose, in my opinion. So I'm gonna put the 475 to watch for the short side to see the price action. And if we go long, it will have to be 477.15 in my opinion, which breaks the high of the Friday bear candle and enters the wick area of the Thursday. So once it enters the wick of the Thursday, it only rejected once 477. So just be cautious. Once you break 477.15, you got to be prepared for 477.50, I'll say, or 60 to see if SPY is really going to try to crack up higher. Now, we did get the red guys coming in on the MAC already. Good. That's not bad. I like that it's not a strong, like it's not a big, strong, let's just call it yeah, let's just I don't know, it's volume bar. I think MACD volume bar. It looks like a volume bar. So it's just a red dark one, but it's not as strong. Like if you look at these are higher. As you can see, the dotted lines is higher than this one. So as long as we don't increase this bar, if we decrease or get tint change, then that means the Bulls are still in, which I think the Bulls are still in. I don't think the Bears are coming in to smoke anybody yet, in my opinion. I think the Bulls are still in because of that wick on the daily. So we got two red days too. Keep in mind, I don't want you guys to negate that. um we got one red day. It's really technically two red days. So we 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 play in threes, these patterns in threes. So we wait for the three bar. So the the third bar that could come in tomorrow could definitely be a three three bar sorry, three reversal. The third bar reversal, the green candle. Sorry, I'm starting my words. So tomorrow I would just wait till we hold 475, and if you could get in right before 75, I think the sneaky entry will be around the mid level of 475. I think if you get in there, you could be able to hold it at least to 476, and then if it goes higher, then you're in touche. You're gonna ride. You're probably gonna go higher, probably 480, maybe, because we're not far from 480. 477, $3. It could do it. So we're looking for that three bar reversal Monday. I don't think we're gonna get another red day. I haven't checked the Apple, the Microsoft. We're gonna check that together, but I don't. It's hard to say we're gonna have another red day. After two red ones. We're already on our toes looking for reversals once we get 2 days of bearishness, or vice versa. We get two green days, we're already like, oh, on our toes. Oh, it could be a bear day. Like, for example, these two green days, the third day was red. So, it's very rare you get consecutive trends on the either way, bears or bulls. So I'm thinking we get a push up higher. I'm not saying we're gonna get a crazy rep, but I could definitely go to 476 tomorrow easily, maybe 477, just based off that wick. The volume daily, not that crazy, nothing out the normal, I'll say. To me, it's not crazy high. It's out of the 2 weeks that we had, those short weeks, it's kind of lining up together. The highest one was actually on what's this, the Friday? Yeah, Friday of December. Was that the short week? 18, 19. No, that was before the short week of Christmas. So yeah, the volume is not that crazy. So definitely, guys, we could definitely shoot some bulls to try to come in and save the day. Let me see the RSI dissecting. I like that it already went down for 2 days. This is torch bounce area because of this right here, and this right here. So it should start turning, in my opinion. But I don't want to chase a falling knife. I don't know if I'll go bearish unless we break that 475 with strength, then ride it to the 9 EMA, 473, and get out. Because it could definitely bounce off there beautifully. So we got them though. We got two alerts for a reason. So we're gonna wait for that to happen. Same thing goes for Qs. Only thing as Qs put more bearish strength on the last 2 days, obviously, compared to SPY, which is okay because Qs tech been on a tear, so it's understandable. The levels that I will watch on the Qs, it'll be that one, obviously, is the 411. What we got? 411 break to what, 412. The 411 75 is a good upside break for calls. And if we're gonna short her, honestly, this would be 409.08. Let me see how it looks. Because then it could go all the way to here, 409, 407. Okay. So yeah, I'll watch this level right here, 409. I'll put oh 05 on it. 409.05. Let's do 409.05. So if we could get in before 409 cracks, then that's good. 409.05 for puts. Again, I'm not gonna chase the bears because, like I told you guys, it's two red days. The wick on the daily doesn't really give me a lot of strength. Now, if this candle whole body closed down here underneath the 9, then obviously I'm gonna say, hell no, this is too strong for the bears to get canceled yet. But bears wasn't even that strong. These two red candles, still within range of the week. Not it didn't outrange the week, so I like that. And SPY, let's do full pullback, guys. Come on, we're at all-time highs. So just watch those two levels. I think we're due for the bounce, at least to try to retest some type of not highs of what we was just at, but maybe what's this? 412 for sure. I think it could hit 412 and then maybe come down again if it wants to double top out. Because if it hits 412, then double top. And same thing for the SPY. If we go back to 476, then double top is in mode. Because this is the first rejection off the double top, and this is the same thing, first rejection off the double top. So just keep that in mind. But RSI is entering pivot bounce zone, so it bounces a lot around here. So if I was to draw a line right here, I don't care about an alert. I'm just doing this just for the show. Yeah, this is a bounce area, and look, it's literally right there. So long as it stays there, we damn sure could see a reversal. Third day reversal on both of these Qs and SPY. But if I had to pick up one out of the two, which is stronger in my opinion, I think SPY is, only because of the size of the red candles compared to Qs. I think SPY is slightly a little stronger, but let's see what happens in the morning. I don't know. We got data too, but I'm not chasing short side. So let's talk about these names, right? Let's talk about the SPY. Oh, sorry, the Apples, the Microsoft, Google, Meta, etc. All right, so look, double bottom Apple, right? I already see it. I don't even gotta extend the chart too crazy. Let's see, Apple. And we already got two red days, like I told you guys. So Apple, right? And look where the wick, Apple did a wick in the right area. This is beautiful, beautiful resistance area, turn support. Right here is when Apple turned resistance. Now Apple turned it into support right here around mid-December. One support bounce. This is the second time. Another day, you could say third. And right here, what happened? And look, repetition. So this is what I'm saying. It could definitely bounce tomorrow. So Apple could double bottom out if it holds this level. So the easy short though on Apple will most likely be, it has to break those wicks. So you gotta wait till it sweeps these levels right here. If it sweeps these levels out, then yeah, Apple could go to VP line. VP line is this lime green line, guys. Like, oh, it just moved, but basically down here is what I'm trying to say. Apple could go to the base of these candles. So I would watch, if Apple goes low, it has to go break 190.90. I'll say 190.90 for the shorts, because I want to put alerts on both sides, because the fact that we still got dark tints and this is higher than this, the little volume MACD bars is higher than previous day. So you want to be prepared for whichever side is going to come. And this, of course, is still heavy, still heavy. And we should start trying to get, let me see, it could start bouncing, but if it don't bounce, it's going to keep dropping. But this is a midline on my RSI. So if we cross that midline, it could go down at least to here. So overall, Apple, I'm not a full bear yet, because it held the 21, not nicely, it's slightly under, but it's not that far. What's this? 192. And this is what? Oh, sorry, 192, and this is oh, oh, there's a line there. I saw. Okay, 192. Yeah, it's not that slightly under the 21. Now, if you just want to wait for the clear move, patiently, Apple, just wait until it gets above here to go long, the 195s. So 70, little 30 cent. Breaks the highs of Thursday and Fridays. We should start going higher, in my opinion. 195 without a doubt. That's a nicely rejection around there, which it didn't reject a lot. It only rejected really one time, this area. Every other day, When Apple got around here, what happened? Look, wick ripped higher, higher, higher. I don't even gotta point this out. So, not a bad risk to go upside once it gets to this price level because it only rejected once. So you could either try to get in on the killer entry, try to see if you get a bounce entry around this double bottom zone, which is 192.5 area. If you see a support building, you could get in or just be patient and wait for the breakout. Because I think if it breaks to 21, they could go to at least 195 overall. Microsoft. Microsoft looks strong, man. Damn, Microsoft. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 earlier wave pivots higher too. Microsoft above 379.30. I think is a good long. Why didn't I hold on. 379.30, right? That's what I said. Yeah. 379.30. I think it's the long side. See if we could test these highs over here on these candles. Overall, Microsoft looks so clear bullish. That's why I'm not even trying to look at downside. I haven't even mentioned it because I'm gonna tell you guys now, right now. So, right, RSI is number one. That's bullish. Pivoted higher every time. This was a low, there's a higher low, third higher low, breaking out this resistance area right here. It's giving indications that we should go up here or up here. Mac is snitching too. Mac wants the bears out of here already because it's just cascading smaller and smaller and smaller. All these two got to do is crisscross and then sayonara. So Microsoft A1 out of the app. I mean, so far compared to Apple. Apple, I got to put two sides because the chart is telling me it could go either way. So Microsoft, it just looks bullish. So let's talk about Google. Oh, wrote that wrong. Google, Meta, Metropolis. So Google, look, nice doji reversal, hopefully tomorrow. So this is what I was talking about earlier. You see, this this was a this one was bearish since Wednesday, unfortunately, because it kind of gave the evening star hint on Wednesday. Then Thursday smoked it. Friday, it didn't really sell. It did sell, but look, it didn't really go nowhere. I mean, sorry, this is Friday. I apologize. This was Wednesday, this was Thursday, this is Friday. So yeah, the Bears try to come in on that Wednesday and that Thursday, and they kind of stood in line. No high, no lower lows on the candlesticks. Now we got the Friday move, which is nice. Like, not for nothing, if tomorrow this goes green, it's not the prettiest, but kind of discombobulated morning star kind of build trying to happen. Cause this ain't the prettiest evening star, but it is what it is. And look, it went down. As soon as that evening star happened, whoop, red day. Just wasn't a heavy red day on Thursday. So tomorrow, I think Google definitely go up. I would only watch this level right here. There's 140.90, yeah. Try to get in that little 10-cent gamma squeeze before it goes into 141. This, yes, it is going down, given, but it's still far extended from each other. If this was kissing or about to crash, then I'll tell you guys, no, we're gonna short, but extended, it's not close to each other. It could easily try to pivot, like I just showed you. Microsoft pivoted and it could do that. And and the Mac is so extended these lines. And this only has 3 bars. It has a long way to go to switch to one of these. So that's why I think Google could be a nice little morning star reversal tomorrow. So Google could watch, what is this? I think they got 142 or 145s. If it breaks 140, we could definitely go to at least 142. Let me see. Wait, 140. Wait, what's this? Yeah, almost 140. I'll say 140, 170. I'll say that. Then from there, you got to watch it to see what happens around here. It's a lot of friction over here, so be careful. So yeah, Google looks strong. That's a doji and it's a green one, so that's signs of reversal. So Microsoft, Google look good for upside. Apple looks a little shaky. Next, Metropolis. Meta looks heavy. Wow. So this is what I'm talking about. Talking about, guys. See the RSI? It's very close to this white line. And look, Meta already broke that pivot that was holding the trend for Meta to keep going higher. This little pivot was the pivot that was holding Meta to go higher. That's why when it moved up after that pivot, it never went there again. It kept going higher, higher, higher. Now it broke it. So now it's kind of a little break of stretcher on the RSI. So if it does cross this white line tomorrow, Meta could definitely leg down under the 90 EMA and come down at least to, my opinion, 347.40. Yeah, 347.40. It could definitely come down to. We got one, two red days. So just be cautious with Meta. It's a lot of. I feel like we're gonna get undecisive moves basically on like separate tickers. I don't think everything's gonna be moving together. Like the market's been ripping in the past 2 months. Like shit's been ripping together basically. So you gotta be cautious tomorrow, starting the brand new year. So be careful with your longs on anything, I'll say, just because we've been 2 months of straight rally. So I'm gonna put an alert. What is this? A 350? Nah, it gotta be adjusted. Because the wick held here. All right, so 350. It could bounce here easily. Boom. I would wait. It's gonna, yeah. All right. Not shorting here. This would be my bounce entry on Meta. Tell y'all right now why. All right. Okay, so this would be my bounce entry on Meta. I don't think it's gonna go lower than that unless it's some crazy news. The reason I'm saying I like this bounce entry is because this wick is near that level that I just posted is near it. So the bulls like this level and this candle. I love how the body build right on that price range. So as long as we hold this level, we good. Now, if we do for some reason go below 347, if we go below 347, then yeah, 345 could definitely be promised. But if we hold this 347, I mean 348.60 area, then we definitely should go to 350 like nothing. And 350 is a very likable level for Meta if you guys been watching Meta the past 2 weeks. 350 hit here, 350 hit here. So 350 could definitely hit multiple times. I don't see it going lower though, to be honest. And all these tickers that I just mentioned as well, I forgot to tell you, all the max are still positive. So that's why I'm still bullish. Now, if the max were these lines, that's what I'm talking about for anybody new. These lines, if they were here on the negative side, then I'm like, oh, right, we could definitely start sinking heavy. But all these tickers that I mentioned, they're still positive. So the bullish momentum is still in. So I think Meta would bounce there. And if Meta does not want to go under the 9, my opinion, watch right here. 357.90 for the 360 calls, which is, as you guys can see, the head of these candles, basically trying to revisit these price levels. So those two levels are good. Still Google and Microsoft look the cleanest, in my opinion. Um, let's see what else Google. We talked Tesla, right? Tesla, and I think I did all of the Magnificent Seven. No, I'm missing. Tesla. Oh, Netflix. Yes, Netflix. We did Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Netflix, Google. Yeah, after this, then we good, I think. Okay. Wow, this looks heavy, guys. Netflix looks very heavy. Okay. But there is a plus side to Netflix. The fact that it held this level, this is a strong demand zone. One, two, three, four, 5 times it bounced from here. So you cannot neglect that, all right? But this doesn't say it wants to bounce just yet. We still got room on the RSI to come down at least to here. And this crisscrossed already. So yeah, Netflix is probably gonna go at least, it's probably gonna test these resistance and bounce it. So do I want to chase puts on Netflix? After 2 days red? Nah, I don't, be honest, I don't want to. I'll just be patient and wait until it gets here and decide if it's gonna tank or not. So I'm gonna watch this 479. I'll put an alert to see if it wants to bounce it. It'd be a nice bounce off resistance. And this is resistance here. So, but I just don't like how it's literally under the 8. I mean, I'm sorry, my nine. Like the body of the candle, half of the body's under. The top, yeah, it's a little bit over, but still, this is a higher low rejection. This is your first rejection, and this is your second rejection. So, in my opinion, double top happened, and now Netflix could maybe sell off a little bit. So Tesla, oh my God, Tesla. Tesla's worse than Netflix. All right. Tesla could come down more too, y'all. But there is a demand zone right here that looks like it can hold this 346 area. Looks good. I got a lot of alerts on Tesla. Hold on, guys. All right. So this area right here could definitely be bounced for Tesla. I'm sorry, RSI already went under. So the strong move to the downside already happened because we crossed. This could start turning, could start reversing. Now this, okay, this is not that big. I mean, who was trading on Friday? So I don't expect these MACD bars to be that big. But I don't like how this just collided on Friday. So careful with Tesla. Tesla, if it really breaks this with power, which is 245, we could see, oh man, we could see at least, what's this right here? Yeah, if it breaks to 45, it could go to 240, guys. So 240 could be the bounce. If not, if 240 don't bounce, it's gonna go at least to right here, which I doubt it. Tesla's gonna go to all the way to 236. So let's be feasible. 240. Just watch 240 if 245 breaks, in my opinion. What's this? 240? 245.95, yes. So $5, which is good. Tesla normally does move like $4 to $5 range. It's understandable. And one, two. I mean, it's not the prettiest three black crows if it's gonna happen, but it could be. All this is the only reason that don't look pretty is because this needs to shift a little. The closing of this candle, it needs to be a little lower, and then it'll be like, damn, this is a perfect black crow happening. But I'm gonna take it as is and just be on my toes. It could be a black crow happening. It could easily put another red day. But yeah, just watch that level. I'll watch that level. If you really want to be sneaky, you could definitely just watch it. What's this? 247.20 area, right? You get a sneaky entry on your 245 puts if you think it's really gonna sell, because once it breaks the low of this candle, there's really no area to bounce until here, which is 245. That's why I say if 245 loses, it's going to 240. So that would be a sneaky entry for shorts. But overall, out of all the ones we spoke about so far that we go according to the market, SPY and Qs, only Apple and Google. No, Apple or Microsoft. No, I'm sorry. Microsoft and Google look clean to the upside. All the other ones look shaky. Like could go either way. This looks heavy. This looks heavy, so just be cautious on the tech sectors. All right, let's get to I got what the hell's my list? Whoa, 1 second, yeah. Give me the list. Sorry, I'm a little rusty. I haven't done Zoom in like 4 days. All right. All right. So let's do this. All right, first on the list, we're gonna do P. Let me see how Palantir looks. Small account, kind of small account friend. I know why I was really disappointed in this play, man. I got in around here, didn't budge, it didn't print for me. One of these days, I got in, and just ate me, so I lost that one. But Palantir looks heavy. So some puts and some calls I got just to be safe. But I'm rooting for the Bulls, of course. So Palantir, what we got? Bearish rejection off the 9. This looks ugly. I already zoomed into this. You guys see the rejection. Inverse too, head and shoulder. Check it. I mean, sorry, head and shoulder pattern right there. Not even inverse. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Dark red tint. And look, we're on the negative side. Remember what I was just talking about Mac being on positive, negative? We're on the negative side of Palantir. So Palantir could definitely go at least to, what's this right here? 1680. So 1680, I'm gonna put as a watch area to try to see if it reverses. So I'm looking for the bounce. I'm not looking for the drop more. Okay. So Palantir looks bearish. Just wait and be patient till we get to these levels. This is a resistance here and a resistance here. And hopefully it can build a bounce area. Because obviously it's been holding this range for 2.5 weeks. It cannot seem to lose 17.20 or so, right? $17. Let's just say 17. So it's pretty strong level in my opinion. So if it does lose it, it'll have to break at least 1650 for it to be a super like bear move coming in. And from my opinion, the bears has been in for a while already. Even when the market was doing okay in the past 2 weeks. This is crazy. One, two, three, four red ones, then 1, 2, 3 green days out of almost 2 weeks that didn't even go anywhere. It was straight chopness. So yeah, we're just gonna watch to see what happens when we get there. But I think we could bounce. I don't think Palantir goes low. We got a nice little double bottom here on the body too. I just noticed with a higher low. So let's see. See what price action says. Now, if it does reverse, easy entry will be right here above the 50. No brainer. 1795 break should take it to 18 without even thinking. But I think it's gonna sink a little and then probably come up, in my opinion. So watch Palantir for a bounce, even though it looks heavy. We got TXN, Texas Instruments. All right. Evening. Oh, I thought it was evening star. Never mind. Just canceled it out right here. This candle. It's not evening star. So this looks heavy too. You see, buried. This just sliced. So this has room still to come down. This could come down to straight up right here, 168. So bears could definitely watch this 169.75 to see if it dumps at least to, it's only $1, about $1 move down. If it's a big heavy drop, it could definitely go at least to 167. And it's just the first, like this, yeah, this was the first. This is weird to me because this is the rejection, the first rejection, right? You normally you say this is a double top, but this double top came in a little higher. And then let me see the MAC, guys. Hold on. The MAC 123 is far extended. Nah, yeah, it can still come down. Yeah, we gotta be cautious. I'm bare. I'm bare. I can't be a bull on this one. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this level for shorts. If the drop is real and free falls, it's coming down to at least, I told you guys, 167, 166 at least. So look, tech, these are tech in my opinion. So that's what I'm saying. Qs look a little heavier and SPY look a little stronger. These are both in my tech sectors. So TXN, bear play, PLTR, a bounce play, even though the bears are still in the move, in my opinion, because that's just one day of red on Friday. So tomorrow could be a weak red day, and if you got in on the bounce, then you should catch a green day on Tuesday at least, or I'm sorry, not Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. That's Harmel. This one looked fire. I don't know why it was up so much after hours. Hold on. We got a 32.28 print on Harmel. Let me see. HRL. So it says after hours, that is at 32.28. This chart looks good though. This is a bull play, guys. Bull play right here. This is a big buy zone for this play. As you guys can see, I'll put my cursor here. You can see how many times it breaks that level with my cursor. It breaks it a whole lot of times. It's like the first floor entry, like we like to say in the chat. So we got a nice little trend line coming, right here. So go wait for entry right above that. This looks gorgeous. This looks like it wants to dig out the negative side and increase dark too on Friday. So I'm gonna put my alert right. I'm gonna put it at the base of these candles right here. You see this base right here? This is where these candles like to jump from, right? So you look at that, you want to put an alert around there to see if it's gonna repeat it. So let's do 32.40. All right. Kind of anti-inflationary play anyways. Inflation's going down, Campbell Soup, KHC, this, companies like that, Coca-Cola, they should be doing better, right? Because price is going down, because that was killing them, increasing prices. So HRL looks good. That's the first bull play I got for you guys. NPLTR is the bounce play. What else we got here? We got China. So we got a new year coming in. Um, I'm gonna talk about like two or three China names I got. I'm not sure, but I just want to see how they're gonna start off the year because they've been getting smoked. It feels like they've been getting smoked for 2 years. So let's talk about Xpeng. Let's talk about Neo. All right. So Xpeng looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4 bounce on RSI, stick up. This looks like it wants to cross up finally. You could draw a line from here, straight down right here. I'll do it for you guys. It breached it a little bit on Friday, but what happened? Bulls couldn't hold it, so it smacked it down. But it's all right. It's all right. At least it's giving us a sign as potential move to the upside still. And the indicators here say so. The MAC, the RSI. Almost like a golden cross going on here. I just realized that. We got the 21, we got the 9, got the 50, 200, everything involved here. So that's good. Break of this is over. I'll watch 1540 fizzy, 45 for longs on XPay. Now Neo, mm, Neo don't look like XPay. Neo looks heavy. Sorry to say. I feel bad for this China name. Let me see. Let me remove these lines, guys. Hold on. I don't like those lines on Neo. All right. All right. So this is why I think Neo looks heavy compared to XPay. So you guys right now. Obviously, you see that red daily candle on resistance, not just anywhere, right on the resistance level. Reject here, third reject. And look at this. 1, 2, third, 3 rejects on the RSI. So they match. 10 change. Yeah. So yeah. Neo loses 890 in my opinion. It's over. So I would watch that 890 level on Neo for the puts. It doesn't look strong at all. Like you guys could just see it on my screen. Like this looks way better than Neo. So if I had to pick one, it'll be this guy right here. And Neo had a little run too last week. It had a nice couple bull days. So it's all right. I get it. This one to me is the lagger. You ask me. So one bear on China and one bull on China. So let's see what happens. I like eBay. See what eBay looks like. ROE name, sorry. eBay. What else looks good? Atria. MO. Tobacco. Yeah. All right, so eBay, beautiful hold on the 200. I like this one, team. I like this one, okay. eBay. Yeah, we got a nice build on the RSI. Wants to basically repeat right here what it's doing here. So once they get out of this little range, I already got the alert set for you guys. I mean, you could try to get in earlier, which will be around here, but I don't know if it's worth. Let me see. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put that. I love it. Because at least we could get out in TP by the time it gets here. So I'll watch it right here. 90, yeah, 90, 43.90. Right? eBay looks good. All cylinders. RSI, Mac, all good. All good on eBay. eBay moves on. Guys could go to Amazon, stuff like that. Kind of relate. But yeah, eBay looks strong. I like how it's holding the 200. We got the 9 right there too. That looks like it's going to bounce off. So that's another bullish play for y'all. MO, right? Tobacco looks strong too. Double bottom, early double bottom, nice and early. MACD's 10 changing finally. Only thing I don't like is that our lines is in the negative side, but technically, this is where Altria likes to react from. Because look at these over here, these dates. What happens where Altria once it gets to the price of $40? It respects $40 a lot. Likes to go above $40 a few times. And $40 actually likes to go to at least, let me see. It's really no hard rejection until almost 40.70, then 41. So even on last week, look, it went to 40, what's this, 60? Yeah. And we got a nice bull candle on Friday. So I would watch longs right here. Well, I'm about to delete this. Sorry. I was deleting that line. Yeah, watch longs above here, guys, on this tobacco company. They got half calls, so see if you can snatch those up. But MO looks good. eBay looks good. Both bulls. There's another tobacco company out there if you guys bother to watch. If this one goes PM, Philip Morris, if that interests you. EXC, Corporation. See how that looks. Oh, there's the oil, USO, United States Oil. I want to see this one. All right. Let's talk about this one first, okay? All right, so EXC got decimated, right? When was this? December the 14th, 15th, 16th, 3 days of murdering. Now, it looks like it wants to reclaim this candlestick's price action, in my opinion, because there's some buyers that like to hold this level over here. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. We're going to start trying to get these buyers back in around this price level. This looks good. It looks like it's dying to bounce. Oh my God. This already crossed. Yeah, this crossed up. So we look good to go up on this one. This one's probably just gonna take some time and patience. I think I want to put a bounce entry. I'm gonna put two entries. Hold on. I'm gonna put one breakout entry, which should be right here. 25. I'm gonna do 36.25 for y'all. And then I want to do 15 minutes to see if we could get a nice, hell yeah, we get a nice bounce entry right here. This is it right here. It's either this right here is gonna be the bounce entry or not. So it's 235.80, which is the rejection around here. And look, is there support here, resistance turns support. This is resistance. Hold on, let me zoom in for y'all. Look, so you can see this is resistance right here. Look, it rejected with this red candle, kind of rejected here. So let's see if that happens. Resistance turns support on that one. So two levels, a breakout and a bounce on this one. This is energy related. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, it's utilities, Canada man.
Right. Thank you, my brother. So yeah, there you go. USO, right? Oh man, USO's been getting clapped. So trying to see if we could get a reversal finally, and we get first dibs, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got day 6 approaching tomorrow, right? I want to see if we can get in around here for a double bottom bounce. So I'm gonna watch the 66.15 area. Now, given, yes, we already crossed through the RSI, so we don't gotta worry about the RSI being here and then getting sliced. So that's good. That means the drops happen, obviously, with all these red candles. This looks a little shaky, not too bad. It's still a little extended. But I'm going off of, trying to catch this reversal off of the 7, not 7, 6 days, 6 days, 6 days of red. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green day, So oil could be a move. Now, if this moves, I only got this oil one. This is the USO one. I only picked this one specifically because I know if this one moves, then I could go and tell you guys, yo, go look at Oxy, Valero, Zom, because this one is like the one on the top list of my oil sector in that category that I have combined. And usually if this moves green, then all the other oils move green. So that's why I want to watch this one first before I drive myself crazy and start trying to watch Velo, Zom, and all that. This is the only oil one that I have to see if it's actually going to reverse. If we could catch the reversal, this is a swing in my opinion. I don't think we could hold this probably for like 2, maybe 3 days, just because of the beatdown it's been getting. So watch oil for the reversal bounce on off 66. I'm basically want to bounce here. This little wick at the 9. This nice build here, and look right here, same level, same exact level. These two candles. So I'm eyeing myself right here. Got my eye on those levels. So we got that one. I think I got a hell. Yeah. See, put me on this one. This one went under my eyes. I couldn't believe how much this ripped. See what happens. See how this looks. Holy smokes. Okay. It's a hammer candle on the daily, guys. So I'm like, damn, this thing could possibly rip more up. So Thursday, right? Probably had a whole bunch of traders in this ticker thinking, oh, it's gonna dump. We got the red reversal on reject. Then Friday came and wiped that out completely. It gave you almost the only thing that negates the hammer is just a little wick right here, but if that wick wasn't there, that would be a straight hammer on the green. So I'm gonna take it as a green candle. And this is so extended. So the bulls are in on this. I'm not shorting this shit. I want to see if we can get this. Call me crazy, but I want to see if it goes higher. Um, Let me just readjust it. I'm not even gonna delete it. I'm gonna watch what happens around here. And look at the bodies opened up still. So 12.10. I'll put a 12.10. 12.10. I'm sorry, that's 16.20. That was the old alert. 16.20. Just I, I think I'll for this one, you're probably gonna have to do a month out just to be safe because it's been ripping so much. But this has a lot of potential because I extended the chart a little bit back, and this thing I think goes as far as let me look at it with you guys. I think $20, yo. Shoot. Yeah, I think it's 20, guys. Hold up. Mm, here we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you. All right, there we go. Yeah, this is what I was looking at earlier, right here, guys. So this health ticker, and I just put what? Yeah, I just put what? 1620, right? Look at what 1620 lined up, team. Look at all the bounce that happens around here. Look, 1620 right here goes crazy, 1620. Over here goes crazy. Over here goes crazy. So this is a good level to watch. Now that level breaks, it could easily bring into at least 17. What's this? This is not 17. I'm sorry, the top of this candle. 1664. What's this? 617 is the highest. 1720. What's it? 1740. All right. So it looks like it has 16.5 after 1620, 16.5, then 17. But overall, it shows that it could definitely revisit. It's been here and held it a few times in the past. New year, so we're not gonna doubt it. We're not gonna sit back and say it's impossible. At the beginning of the year, this thing could just start ripping. So watch that level tomorrow, that 1620 level. I think it could definitely be something to watch if it does continue. But overall, we missed this one. This thing ripped crazy. This thing had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8-day run. All right, so I think I got some other health names too. Hold on. Not the only one. We got RTX, guys. Let's see how RTX. I've been talking about RTX good all over CNBC. Let's see how it looks on the killer charts. Ooh, looks reversey. Not upside though, downside. Looks heavy, guys. Yeah. We got almost a quadruple rejection. One right here because of this. 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm gonna put an alert for downside, guys. 8, 3, 4, 9. Let's see how it looks on here. It's already turning downside, so it's not kicking up. It's not doing a pivot bounce to go higher. So it's showing that it might want to do this. So it could start turning. And then we got a tint change here too. So keep that in mind. Now, given the Mac does look strong still, just because I'm not talking about the tint. That's just the first tint. So that really don't mean anything. And the extension between the orange and white lines still giving it some type of strength. Now, given if it doesn't break this level, it's gonna hold here and it'll kind of a flag hold. So I'll put 2 levels on this one, but if I had to pick a side, I I'm gonna have to say downside, upside. But I'm gonna put my alert anyways, so we won't miss it. I'll put 80. If we go above 84.50, 85 cracks, possibly to the 200. That's when you want to take profit. If we're getting close to 200, start, taking profit because I don't know if it's gonna go higher from there. But it looks like it could go either way. But pattern-wise, on the daily, looks weak. RSI looks weak, and MAC looks semi-weak, not as high. But the RSI and daily picture looks a little weak in my opinion with this red candle. rejection wicks like crazy around here, so could pull back and bounce around the 9. So I'll short it. I wouldn't want to go long unless the market just goes crazy. And it has room to go upside, like I'm not gonna lie, but from what it's telling me now, it's a little weak, in my opinion. The other health name that I have, small account, it Tiva. We love Tiva here. Um, this one's actually up after hours. I don't know if it's real, but says it ripped to 10.54. Um, almost 65 after hours. But let's see what it says here. That looks weak. Mm-mm. Oh, hell no. This is double top, bro. No, right here. First rejection right here. Oh, shoot, sorry. First rejection right here. Second rejection. And this crisscross will make, yep, crisscrossing already. Yeah, everything's heavy. Tiva looks short account shorts right here. Short account, small account shorts, sorry. So, so it's not, well, we got to see what wake up in the morning, but right now it's saying it's above 10.5, right? So you either want the 10.5 puts off a rejection from this high area, 10 cents above the strike price, 10.5. If you could get that rejection, you good. Now, if you just want to try to get in for 10 puts, you could get the 10 puts for sure. It's only going to bring you to about $10.15, which is not bad. That's not bad from $10.15 to go to 10.15. So I wouldn't write it though more, I mean, lower than 10.15 is risky. The only reason I'm saying that is because, like I said, Mac is still positive. This is obviously a bounce area, which is around 10.15, $10 range. You don't want to get into play and it just bounces off of there and it goes up. So I'll just take profit around 10.15 if you could, or maybe even 10.18. Because it could definitely bounce there 100%. There's resistance with wick and there's bounce, regular bounce in that price range. So Tiva definitely looks shorty. So I'll put the alert here for puts. I'm gonna put it a little higher. I'm gonna put 1040. I want to see something, how that looks. Hold on. Hold on. So now I gotta put it right here. What's that? 1035. All right, 1035 it is. All right. And that's 4 green days on Tiva. So it could be a heavy red day. And you could, that's on the 10s could definitely hit. Those 10 puts could definitely hit. These bears, I'm sorry, these bulls are looking very exhausted on this week. The whole week they were green, but they didn't really push the needle up, in my opinion. So tomorrow we gotta take everything light and take your time. Wait till the market settles and jump in. You know, jump the gun like me on Friday with the freaking calls. All right. Oh, I had another China name, right? The other one was Yum C. You see, this one looks like low key, a little like XPEP. All right, so this trend line boom broke here. All right, I'm not gonna do it. Sorry, I was gonna draw a trend line like this, but if I do it, it breaks it already. So, yeah, it's holding the 21 too. Nice. Look, everything's good. Everything. This is good, man. This is good. Nice bull setup this one so far, guys. Yum China. $43.10. Let's see if we get long. See if China wants to rebound. Okay. I like that level. Why? Uh, this is why. Look, what it held here, obviously beautiful. And look, This little pattern on this 3-day and rip that level. So has to break that level for it to go. If it stays here and does not break this level right here, this 4270 area, 75, it's not gonna go higher. It's just gonna crack down and come down. So be patient and wait until that alert hits. Let me see what else I got here. Oh, I do got Zom on my list. Oh shit, I didn't even know. All right, let's talk about Zom. See how Zom looking, gang. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, 5 red days on Zom, man. It's crazy. Yeah, look, and it's already doing a little kink. So that's good that it's turning. At least we don't got the straight dagger going straight down. Let's try and do like a kickstand, trying to sell us that. All right, we could have some momentum to start turning now. This doesn't look that healthy. Still extended though. So it's still good. This is not bad either. It is 3 light ones, but it's not ridiculously small like over here where it's gonna switch to red. So this could be a nice little reverse on oil this week. So might want to watch oil and energy, not energy. Oh, I'll say oil. Oil's been getting hit harder than energy. Energy's been getting it all year. But in the recent days, it's been oil. So watch, yeah, watch this 101 area, 101.5 area. Could definitely take us to, yeah, 102 easily. They got dollar strike prices. So now 102 cracks, then we're going to 103 at least, yeah. Then 105. So yeah, 102, 103, then 105. That's how I think oil could reverse tomorrow. But like I said, I don't think it's a 1-day thing. I think if this thing actually turns tomorrow, we could hold this for like 2 days, maybe 3. If you want to hold your runners, let them run. Might be able to hold for the week. You never know. There's times that we buy oil and it rips all week. When we find out, we could have just held it all week, just chill. So it's been getting crazy with oil. So let's see if we could get a reversal in the new year. Next, this is the last one I got right here. Yeah, Lennar. Why do I like Lennar?
Bro, that's my only request. Wow, fire.
Oh, for real? That's crazy. Wow.
Yep, that pendant.
High watch then.
Well,
Good look, too.
the high watch that. All right, so damn Lennar. Okay, damn. I'm not even gonna ask Sif yet. All right, I'm gonna get my analysis, and then I'm like, yo, Sif, which way you was aiming for this one, right? So the only thing, so what's positive about Lennar is this is about 2 weeks of prices, right? Notice how it didn't lose any big levels. So I'm gonna take that as a positive. I'm not gonna take that as a negative. I'm not gonna say, oh, it's getting weak. Because if to me, if it was getting weaker, we'll be making, we'll make lower lows or rejection will be low. But no, this thing literally's been stuck on stupid for these 2 weeks, basically. And doesn't really want to lose the 9. Look, it's holding above it. So I'm leaning towards the upside. I don't know if it's going up, but I think this goes higher. Um, easy break, easy break right here. Let me see, 150. I think just wait for 151 to crack.
That's what I have, bro. I have 151 for the upside.
Yep, 151. And she could go to 155, bro. Let me see what's this. Yeah, 155, bro.
That's how we eat the wick for.
1, 2, 3, 4 red Mac. Yeah, 4 red MACDs. We're still on the positive. This should start tint changing as well. And this already been down under already, the RSI. It looks like it wants to pivot, if anything, and try to bounce up. So yeah, man, I'm bullish with Seif there, but you could definitely put two,
That's exactly what I have,
like
bro.
he said, you could put 2 sides. You could go to the long and you could prepare for the shorts because this could go either way, to be honest. But it does look like it wants to push higher just because of the way it's been holding these 2 weeks. So
Yo,
that 151, I like his level. I'm with it. I love it. Short side, I would say shorts will have to be 146 for the puts, the 146, or maybe sneaky. Let me see if I could. Matter of fact, maybe a little. You could try to squeeze in a little bit out of do 146.70 for puts, I think, and you can get the 145s. And let me see what.
I got alerts on both up and down once the pennant breaks, so
Mhm.
we'll know which side to choose pretty soon.
Yeah, so this is definitely one of those plays that you could prepare for both sides. Something's gonna happen, basically, like, and it's gonna be a strong move. It shouldn't be a weak move anymore, like it's been doing these 2 weeks or so, I'd say. So I like this one. I like Lenore. Good eye, bro. I hope it pushes up.
But
It'll be fire on the upside. Because if it gets that tint change on the Mac, it's gonna be a strong move, I think, to test the highs of this candle. All right. You got anything else, bro? That's it. That was the last one on my list. That's crazy. Yeah.
I was gonna say, WBA has earnings on Wednesday.
Yo,
Pre-market.
yeah, today, yo. I hate pushing that damn button for assistance just to get body wash. It's crazy. All right. Oh, oh, they look heavy climbing. They look heavy.
Very short
Yeah,
health, bro.
shorty, shorts.
I gotta
Oh,
get my get back.
let me see. It's a beautiful rejection from the 200 too, bro. Oh, freaking Thursday. Wow. All right, so not bullish at all. They don't look bullish. Right here climbing. That's 35. 25, 35.
I think they report before market open.
So okay. Well, yeah, it's right here. I got you, player.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thursday, Sun, pre-market. Copy. 25 puts. Potential. Well, if you're gonna try to smoke it for the ER, then obviously you could go for puts all the way over here. What's this? 23.5 or 23 puts. If it does,
Hmm.
if it does shit the better. But yeah, it looks heavy, bro. This is a bearish play, bro. Now we talking about this one. Let me talk about CVS because we know they like to battle it out. Even though CVS is the juggernaut compared. Let's see CVS. I'll see how that correlates. Oh, CVS put a flag. Damn, CVS. Okay. I don't know if this is weakness, a sign of weakness, but it's holding a flag pattern crazy. Oh my God, and look at this body, so much airspace. Double top could be happening though. Yeah, bro. W. Just my
Uh,
yeah, I wouldn't even go long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I feel like the next candle's gonna be red and it's gonna hit here. 77.90 on CVS. I just
Another ticker that you like has earnings as well. Was it Calmine Foods?
oh
C
come
A
on.
C A L. Yeah, CAL. I think
Yeah, I got CALM.
CALM.
Yeah, they look weak too, bro. Wednesday after hours. Let me see. They look weak here, and they look weak here. Yeah, lower rejection too. Yeah, they might sink tomorrow. This tomorrow, right? No, Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So yeah, we gotta. Well, if we're playing for tomorrow's price action, I don't know about Wednesday, but tomorrow looks like we could drop. It's gonna at least pull back to 56.40. And then from there, it's either gonna bounce because right here it bounced almost 3 times. This candle bounced, and this one ripped up higher. So it needs to hold above the green, which is my 9. So I'll put an alert around here, which is just breaking my 9 EMA to see if it really flush. But I can't call it if they're gonna dump for ER or not. I will always wait until the day of ER to see what type of volume is on the ticker.
Yeah.
But if we just
It's always better just to.
yeah. But if I had to pick right now with no ER, these both look bearish to me. Both of these plays right here look bearish, not upside in my opinion.
All right.
So if
We'll
you
watch them this week.
got your bear hat on, it's all good, bro. I feel you. All right, anything else y'all want me to run through? Be happy to, man. Feels good to be back.
I know, bro. I'm ready.
Oh yeah, it's good to be back. Hell yeah.
Go. Turn on the underdog.
Fucking go. On and heated, bro.
You got anything, Nami, on? You good, my brother?
I haven't checked them yet, bro. So I'll be checking them for sure.
No
I'll be
worries, bro. No rush. No worries, my brother.
Thanks, man.
I'm on live with you. Well, I'm gonna be all week live. I'm working remote, so I'll be
Let's fucking go.
live with you every day. So
Nice.
well,
Yeah, I'll
not
be like regular hours tomorrow. I'll probably be off about 9 my time, so 12 o'clock Eastern. But for the rest of the week, I should be here, pretty much open to close.
fire. All right, man. Looking forward to
Yeah,
it.
stoked, bro.
We still got some ERs, right? This week it's just WBA, COM, and that's about it.
Yeah, hold on. I posted in the chat.
Oh, I got Discord right here.
I'm looking for one good one that's gonna happen this week,
Oh,
bro.
you got it. Yep, you got it. Shit is right here.
Your earnings.
When something triggers me like this.
Or
Was-
earnings.
I
I
like
guess
this
these are like
calendar.
the highest cap techs. Like I just seen it on Twitter earlier.
Yo, I like this savvy trader thing right here. I like this a little better than earnings whisper. Conagra. Okay.
Did you know the other one?
TZ.
I didn't know
I
anything
know these
else.
two and Conagra. Oh, and Lamb Weston. All right, we got some names. All right. We played Lamb Weston before, guys.
Mm.
Yeah. We can do this. Yeah, I like the little earnings count. It's fire. I'm gonna see if I can replace this one with the earnings one. Earnings was
Okay, I seen that earlier and I was like, I'm gonna post this in the fucking
yeah.
chat.
Wait,
We're gonna watch
where you
this
got
shit.
this? They have a what they got? They got a Twitter.
I have both. Not consistent.
Yeah, it was. I got it right here. I'm posting.
All right. Yeah. I'm gonna try to implement that. I like this one better than the earnings whisper. So I'll definitely replace it. Fire. All right, so I'm gonna look at these guys. I'm gonna look at, like my boy said, WBA. I'm gonna look at Conagra. I'm gonna look at Com. Unfeed too. Wait, this is Unified Food? No. That's
No, it's different.
No, no.
me first. Sorry. And this
I
missing
thought the same thing.
the eye. My bad. So yeah, Conagra, WA, Lamb Weston, STZ, and Com. And I think
STZ is what? Constellation Brands?
yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one. That's a Nami
That's
one.
the I posted the Savvy Trader link, so y'all
Oh, I
go follow
appreciate it.
him.
I saw it. Yeah. Thank you,
Oh,
bro. Yeah, I'm gonna implement that. So yeah, I'll watch those, bro. I'll definitely watch those. So at least we could get some IV plays. You know, we love IVs, especially with Nami on.
yeah.
Yeah, we know Nami's gonna be on it.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Let's kill it this week, man. Good to have you back, now, Marius.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man. It's good to be
welcome
back,
back,
man.
everybody, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it with your family and all that, man. No,
Yeah.
it ain't.
Sit in charge, bro. Ready to go.
Nami, my whole house got COVID because of you, bro.
Oh, fuck,
Virtual
dude.
COVID.
Virtual.
Bro, yeah, that shit got me too, man. Hit me pretty hard.
I
Yeah.
know. I just read.
Said fuck it, went to Mexico anyway.
My boy said, I'm surfing. Fuck that. COVID ain't stopping the waves.